Welcome to the SpreadX trading update, and we're looking ahead at Purplebricks. Full year results come out on Thursday.
Yeah, one of those sort of stocks that has had an amazing last few years, but has perhaps fallen into a bit of trouble this year, just due to things like investor expectations and being one of those companies that is aiming for such growth that the figures don't necessarily always back up what investors want to see. I think its March update was sort of one of the reasons why it has struggled. I think it's fallen something like 20%, 21% this year. Its March update, it said that underlying softness in the UK market, again, sort of blaming the beast from the east in March and the cold weather and things like that, would lead full year revenue down around 5% on what was the previous consensus. However, it is sort of softened the blow of that announcement by saying that, I think it's Axel Springer, which is a digital publisher from Germany, one of sort of Europe's leading digital publishers. They were investing £125 million in the company to help with it sort of accelerate its rollout in the US and things like that. And in the last few months, you've seen sort of the impact of that money come through. I think in mid-June, it said that it was expanding its US offerings to, I think it was Las Vegas, Nevada and Phoenix, on top of California and New York, where it had previously rolled out. And then I think, this week, as recent as this week, it announced it was buying a Canadian firm. I think it's called Duprorio, and then its English language subsidiary as well, I think for something like just over £29 million, obviously the money coming from Axel Springer, to expand into another region in North America as well. So I think investors are going to want a bit more information on those deals and on those progress in those regions on Thursday. I think in terms of its actual figures, revenues, even though it's going to be 5% lower than what was the previous consensus, revenue is still going to more than double to, I think, £93.7 million. So revenue growth is fine. Full year losses here, on the other hand, I think they're going to be up £6 million to £22 million, which isn't great, and that could sort of keep the stock on the lower side of things and not really allow it to gain any more momentum. In terms of our clients, they're really not a fan of Purplebricks at the moment, basically since the start of the year, really, or at least since sort of March. They've been selling quite heavily, and they're really selling strongly heading into this full year figures on Thursday. I think due to a mixture of, basically that increase in loss and the slightly lower than expected, if still very strong, revenue growth. So like I said, clients selling around the 325 mark, I think looking to be extra critical of a stock they're perhaps a bit more sceptical than they were last year.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much.